How to create QR codes for Shopify. So right here from the main page of Shopify, we just want to use the search bar and we're going to search for QR code generator hub. So QR code generator hub and search it in the Shopify app store. And you should be able to see this application right here. If we click on it, you will see it has good reviews, and we just want to click on install. And I'll show you how we can use this as well. So first we have to grant it permission. So just click on install here and it will start setting up the UI for us. So just give it some time to actually set up. Okay, so it has referred us to this page. And like I said, it's setting up right now. And you can see this dynamic QR codes, create your first QR code, or we can generate or we can get order generated QR codes. So I'm just going to click on create your first QR code. And here we will choose what we want to use it for. So home page, product page. So let's just do product page right here. So for the product page, then you will search the product by title. So for example, case here, I have a phone case and you will be able to see this. And the QR code name, we can set a QR code name. And basically this is what the QR code looks like. So if we click on create new, and we can create product page and we can repeat the same process for other as well. So that's how you do it. That's how you add QR codes to your Shopify store. You can see them right here for QR codes. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.